Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a toffee packet with paper. First, let's gather our simple supplies. You will need a piece of paper, ideally a sturdy one like cardstock, measuring about 8 by 10 inches. Also, grab a ruler, a pair of scissors, and some glue or double-sided tape. Having these items ready will make the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on our fun project. Now that we have our materials, let's prepare the paper. Take your 8 by 10 inch paper and lay it flat. Using your ruler, measure and mark a line 2 inches up from one of the shorter edges. This line will be the bottom of your packet. Carefully fold the paper along this 2-inch mark, creating a crisp crease. This fold forms the foundational base for your toffee packet, giving it stability. With the base fold established, let's create the side walls. Unfold the 2-inch section you just creased. Now, measure 1 inch in from each of the longer sides of the paper. Make small cuts, about 2 inches long, from the edge up to the first fold line. These cuts will allow you to fold the 1-inch sections inwards, forming the side flaps. Crease these folds firmly to define the packet structure. Finally, let's assemble and finish our toffee packet. Apply a thin line of glue or double-sided tape to the 1-inch side flaps you just folded. Carefully bring the 2-inch base section up and press it firmly against these glued flaps, forming the box shape. Hold it for a few seconds to ensure it adheres well. For the top, simply fold down the remaining paper to create a closing flap. You've successfully crafted a charming paper toffee packet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.